Right. Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start some new chapter. Linear inequalities means linear inequalities are there, quadratic inequalities are there. Okay, na? So all are there in that one. So that's why. So we start the chapter is inequalities. 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 Why we are calling as a inequalities? So whatever you take number or expression, whatever you take. So in between we are taking the symbols. So symbols less than or equal, less than, greater than or equal, greater than. In between any relation. Okay, na? Suppose in between two numbers, 7 less than 5. So the relation is whether it is true or false. The relation is whether it is true or false. A is less than B. A is less than or equal to B. A greater than B. A greater than or equal to B. So whether the relation is true or false, we are using in between the symbols. Okay, na? In between some symbols. These are called inequalities. So you know that symbol means this is less than or equal. This is less than. This is greater than. This is greater than or equal. Okay, na? So you note down small point, like definition. Small definition like. So note down first point. First point. Two real numbers. Two real numbers. Two real numbers are two algebraic expressions. Two algebraic expressions. Two algebraic expressions related by the symbol. Related by the symbol. Related by the symbol less than. Come on. Less than or equal. Less than or equal. Greater than. Greater than. Greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. You know, two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbol less than. This is the less than or equal. This is greater than or equal. To form an inequality. Form an inequality. Form an inequality. Form an inequality. So see some examples. Three less than 5. Come on. 7 greater than 5. This is one example. The next one. X less than 2, y greater than 5. These are also inequalities only we are calling. See, Here you see, observe these examples. 3 and 5 numerical numbers. In between we are using inequality. It is called numerical inequality. Numerical inequality. In between two numerical numbers we use the inequality. These are called numerical inequality. Next, one side variable, one side numerical. One side variable, one side numerical. So these are called numerical variable inequalities, means literal inequalities. These are called literal inequalities. Literal inequalities. Literal inequalities. Next term, third. 2 less than x less than 5. 3 greater than or equal to y greater than or equal to 6. These are called double inequalities. Double inequalities. These are called double inequalities. Note down. Once again, 2 TW2. Two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbols less than or equal, greater than or equal, form an inequality. Like examples. Both sides numerical numbers are there called, these are called numerical inequalities. One side variable, one side numerical is there, literal inequalities. Next one is, third one is, both sides inequality is there, this is called double inequalities. Double inequalities. Understand? These are basic points. Next, some more examples. Some more examples given in your textbook. Okay, right? No problem. Completed? Some more examples. Examples of inequalities. Some more examples of inequalities. First one. Inequalities ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than or equal to 0, ax plus b greater than or equal to 0, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b less than or equal to 0, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b greater than or equal to 0. Here a and b are real numbers. So such type of inequalities are called linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Of one variable. Linear inequalities of one variable. Linear inequalities of one variable. Understand? Next. Second, inequalities ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c, ax plus by less than or equal to c are called linear inequalities. Linear inequalities of two variables. Linear inequalities of two variables. Understand? Ax plus by less than c, where a comma b and c are real numbers. A comma b and c are real numbers. Ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by greater than or equal to c, ax plus by less than or equal to c. These are called linear inequalities of two variables. Right? Next one. Third point. Inequalities ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0 are called quadratic inequalities. Are called quadratic inequalities. Are called quadratic inequalities. Are called quadratic inequalities. Then, note down first. These are called quadratic inequalities. Ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than 0. These are called quadratic inequalities. Okay, now then solving of quadratic equations. Solving of inequalities. Solving of inequalities. The following rules for solving an inequality. Solving an inequality. First point. First point. Equal numbers equal numbers equal numbers may be added to or subtracted both sides of inequality both sides of inequality both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality. Equal numbers added or subtracted both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. See this how. So example for this one. I took one condition, let a less than b. I took one condition. Now apply for this inequality given statement, given point. You have to apply this one, and where k is any real number. Okay na? Now adding k on both sides. So what happens in this above inequality? Added k on both sides. What happens? This is a plus k less than b plus k. At the time, same number is added and a minus k less than b minus k. Same number is subtracted. Same number is added. Same number is subtracted. At that case, inequality does not changes. Inequality does not changes. Understand first point? Understand? So here less than becomes less than only. Suppose given greater than means greater than only. Okay na? So you are adding both sides the same number. You are subtracting the same number on both sides. Inequality does not changes. That's right. Without affecting the sign of inequality. Without affecting the sign of inequality. Understand first point? Understand? No doubt. No doubt. Next, second point. Second point. Both sides of an inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number. Same positive number. So the inequality does not change. The inequality does not change. See one example. I consider a less than where a and b are positive numbers, where a and b are real numbers, and k is a positive number, positive real number. They said what? K into A multiply less than K into B. Multiplying on both sides. So inequality does not change. And A by K less than B by K multiplied or divided. Inequality does not change. Does not change. But when both sides are multiplied or divided by negative number, so consider the second one. Consider A less than B and K is a negative real number, negative real number, then what happens? Implies minus K, sorry, Ka greater than Kb and A by K greater than B by K. Same inequality multiplied K, here K is what? Negative number, negative real number is multiplying, dividing, here already less than is there, then what happens? Greater than, okay, na? Then here less than is there, what happens? Greater. So here, but when both sides are multiplied, divided by a negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. Less than becomes greater than becomes less than. When it is multiplied by a negative number or negative real number. These are the rules you have to remember while doing the problems. Correct? Note down fast. Note down. Now see problems. Exercise 6.1. Now see problems. Exercise 6.1. Using these two rules, we are solving the problems. Using these two rules, we are solving the problems. Right? Exercise 6.1. 6.1. First one. Solve 24x less than 100 when first question, x is a natural number, x is a natural number. Second one, x is an integer, x is an integer. So you have to solve this inequality. So I needed x values is a natural number, one solution. X is an integer, another solution. So given, you see, given 24x less than 100, 24x less than 100. So x values needed means x values multiplying with what? 24 is multiplied. So x values is needed means only x is there. Then only we have to simplify. So that's why both sides divided by 24. Both sides divided by 24. Then only we are getting x values, right? So 24x divided by 24 less than 100 divided by 24. 24 is a positive number. So positive number is dividing, the inequality does not change. less than becomes less than, greater than becomes greater than. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ 24 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರಿಂದನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 100/24, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 100/24. How much? 24 ones, 24 fives, 120. 24 fours, 4.4. something, 4.1 something. Okay na? X less than 4.4. Okay na? First question. X less than 4.1. X less than means, so this side value is satisfied. 4 below 4.1 means here the point 4 point approximately. Less than means you have to see below numbers satisfying all x. So in that 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 up to every number is satisfied by this inequality. Right? So first question, x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 only satisfied. So 0, -1, -2, -3 are ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿವೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called solution set. What values satisfy this inequality? That is called solution set. ಯಾವ values ಈ inequality satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾವೋ that is called solution set of the inequality. The values satisfied by inequality, that is called the group of numbers satisfied by inequality, that is called solution set. Next, second question. So what is our second question? What is our second? X is an integer. X is an integer means 4 means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all numbers satisfied by x is an integer. Up to means -infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These all elements satisfied by. Understand? Understand or not? Arrow mark showing this direction. That's why these all elements are satisfied. Less than this side. Okay na? No doubt first. No doubt. Understand? No doubt. Right, second question. Same like that. Solve -12x greater than 30. So when x is a natural number, x is an integer. See, given -12x greater than 30. So here x is multiplied with what? -12 means negative number. So divided by minus 12 on both sides. On both sides. Then what happens? Minus 12x divided by minus 12. Negative number is the dividing means inequality is the reverse. So here less greater than becomes less than 30 divided by minus 12. 30 divided by minus 12. Understand this point? So negative number is dividing, inequality is the reverse. Greater than becomes less. So x less than this value. So 3 tens, 6 twos and 6 fives. 5 by minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 means in that number line. In that number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So minus 5 by 2 means what? Minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 means the number is here, approximately. Minus 2.5. Clear? So less than means what? Less than means what? So less than means what? Which side we have to take the numbers? Less than means this side. This side numbers are satisfied by given inequality. This side numbers are satisfied by given inequality. Right? Understand? Greater than means this side numbers are satisfied by given inequality. Now, first question is what? ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವುವು? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. These are all elements satisfied by given inequality. In this, natural numbers are there? No natural numbers. No natural numbers. So otherwise you write 5. Or 5 means no elements. Next, second question is what? Integers. Integers means what? And so on. -4, minus this much. -4, minus, and so on up to minus infinite. Up to minus. Understand? Note down first. Note down first. Any doubts in this one? So satisfy agreements in it. Okay na? About this one we will discuss again. That is graph. Using graph I am telling the solution. Not down fast. Right, third one. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when x is an integer, x is a real number. X is an integer, x is a real number. So, given one 5x minus 3 less than 7. First of all, x should be ideal. X single idre values ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. Satisfy ಆಗಿ inequality values. Okay na? First of all, 5x beside what is there? -3 is there. So when -3 will be gone, adding on both sides +3, then -3 will be gone. Okay, right? Adding 3 on both sides. Adding 3 on both sides. 3 is positive or negative? Now we are doing addition or subtraction. So whatever that, the inequality does not changes, right? So 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3, right? Adding on both sides plus 3. So according to first rule, the inequality does not change. Understand? So 5x less than 10. Next x value is needed. Then what we have to do our next step? What we have to do our next step? Right? Divided by 5 on both sides. Divided by 5 on both sides. What happens? 5x divided by 5 less than 10 by 5. So this is x less than 2. Values you have to x less than 2. First question is what? X less than 2 satisfy integer values. So you take a rough diagram for this one. So rough diagram. This is outside you have to take. One number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Okay, now x less than 2 means 2 means here approximately. So less than or e side. So e side all elements e inequality satisfy. Okay na 2 bit ಎಲ್ಲ elements satisfy ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ವಾ, right? So first x equal to x is an integer values and so on minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ 1 ತನಕಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. minus 2 and so on minus 1 0 1. These elements satisfied by first question. X is n, that is called solution set. Solution set. Next, second question, solution set of given inequality. Second one is x is a real number. 2 to infinite. So real number means you have to take intervals. Real numbers means you have to take intervals. Understand? So minus infinite comma 2. Minus infinite to comma 2. Okay, integers means we have to take we are showing in set brackets. Understand? And this real numbers means compulsory you have to take intervals only. Why we are explaining sets means these intervals we are helpful in inequalities. Understand? For real numbers we have to take in intervals only. For integers, natural numbers, you have to show in set brackets only. Understand? That is called solution set of question number 1. This is the solution set of second question. No doubt. Same like that in your material, question number 4 you have to do. Question number 4 you have to do. Fourth question you have to do homework. Solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when first one x is an integer X is an integer. Second one, X is a real number. 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 Fourth question, you have to do homework. Next, one more question I will solve. Please. Completed? Note. Okay, now fourth one you do homework. Next, fifth one. Fifth question. So what is fifth one? Four x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. 5x plus. Okay, now you don't write every time the points, dividing, adding, like. Okay, now general simplification you have to. So 4x less than 5x plus 7. So plus 3 bringing into that side means what happens? Plus 3 bring into right hand side, what happens? Minus. Understand? Next. 4x less than 5x. This is plus 4. Next. 4x. 5x bring this side minus 5x. 5x bring into left hand side, that is minus 5x. Less than plus 4. Less than remaining plus 4. Now this is minus x less than 4. I want x value only, not minus x value. I want x value. So multiply minus 1 on both sides. Minus 1 on both sides. So what happens? Minus 1 into minus x into greater than minus 1 into minus 1. Negative value multiplying on both sides, the inequality changes. This is less than becomes greater than. So minus 1 into minus x, x greater than minus 1 into 4, minus x greater than minus 4. Understand? X greater than minus 4. So solution set. It is equal to x greater than minus 4. X values only you have to simplify this set. So you write minus 4 to infinite. Minus 4 to greater than. Greater than means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Greater than ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್? Greater than ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್. ಅವರು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್. Okay, that is our solution. Understand? Note down fast. Note down fast.